What's up, gang? Don's Appliances here. We're on the Alfa Pizza Oven. We have a cast iron ripping. We're gonna do some wood-fired steaks. So good, I'm glad I'm even saying that. We're gonna pull the stout right here. We got two different steaks. We got a T-bone, then we got a nice Delmonico we're gonna put on. Guys, this is where you get that restaurant quality sear in the cast iron. Pick up the next one. Look at that smoke. Woo! That's what we're talking about. Look how hot that cast is. We're gonna wait another 30 seconds and we're gonna give it a nice flip and we're gonna put it back into finish, all right? Look at the white on this, gang. This is what we wanna see. We wanna see the nice white edges. We're gonna get a good classic sear on this. Over 1,000 degrees of heat. Look at that. Seared steak on one side, pick up the next one. Seared T-bone, fire it right in for 1,000 degrees. This is hot cooking. All right, 3 minutes, we're gonna pull it out and give it the flip. Look how great the steaks look. Sizzling up really nice. We got that good caramelization. Look at that. Oh, ripped that one. 3 minutes more than they're in. I don't even think it needs 3 minutes. Oh. All right, guys, 5 minutes in, 1,000 degrees, two steaks in a cast iron on the Alfa. We're gonna pull this guy out. We're gonna pull the second one out as well. Move it in. Look at our great caramelization on the steaks. Look at our great look on there.